Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and this shower door from Keonjinn is a beautiful way to upgrade your bathroom and make it look so elegant. This door was the final touch this bathroom needed to tie everything together, and the glass doors make this small bathroom feel so much larger. The black finish ties all of the tile and fixtures together, and the threshold doesn't allow water to splash out onto the floor, so you don't have to worry about sopping up any messes. I love how the doors glide so smoothly and don't make any noise. And there's rubber stoppers on the frame so that the door doesn't bang against the wall. You are going to need an extra set of hands to help with installation, but it's not difficult and it's so worth the payoff. And if you're worried about keeping a glass shower door clean, so are we. But this glass has a nano coating, which makes it really easy to keep clean and streak free. So if you're looking for a beautiful way to upgrade your bathroom, I highly recommend this shower door from Keonjinn. And that's my point of view.